Today, my name is Romar Lagada, a third-year student taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in General Science. Among the different topics of the different chapters, what interests me the most is the functions of grading. So grading has intended and attendant impacts. Students interpret and are affected by grades. These are some of the important influences of grading. The level of feedback communicated by grades about the student's performance. Whether grades are being used to compare students. How grades motivate students. Whether factors other than performance should be included, in which students can make more accurate connections between how they prepared and how they performed. In general, more detailed, individualized feedback has a positive effect on motivation. Effective teachers learn to give consistent, detailed, and useful feedback that is taking practical constraints into account. Grading is also used to provide a basis of comparison to something. There are three forms of comparison that influences how the grading decisions are made. Individual student referenced, norm referenced, and standards based. Individual student referenced is based on the comparison with each student's own prior performance and aptitude. There are two considerations for student referenced comparison, that is prior knowledge and aptitude. Comparison using prior performance is grounded in the idea that if learning is defined as growth, why not measure how much students learn before and after instruction? Students who show the most improvement, hence learning, would get the highest grade. Improvement can also be a motivator. Using aptitude as determinant allows grading to be tailored for each student's potential. High aptitude students would be challenged. Grading by comparison to the achievement of other students is referred to as the norm reference grading. This kind of grading does not provide an indication of masteries. However, it is used to provide basis of how schools sort their students. An undesirable outcome of relative grading is that it fosters student competitiveness. This usually has a negative impact on the student's effort, motivation, student cooperation, interpersonal relationships, communication with the teacher. Most grading has moved away from comparisons with others. So standards-based are grades determined by the level of performance obtained. There is no comparison with other students. The basis of comparison is a predetermined standard of performance. In this context, the idea of standard-based grading is appealing. When done well, it holds the possibility that all students can meet the specified goals.